This week is not glamorous. It's about creating a simple 100 video checklist roadmap for a free digital marketing course. Sounds easy, right? Anything but easy. I started with a 250 video idea list. I've eliminated 100. I have a headache, and I'm not even eliminating is far more difficult, and there's doubt, there's resistance. Traction isn't great right now, but without clarity I tend to procrastinate, so I can't even just give up on this idea because I love the idea of creating a 100-day free program because I know how much value it can add. So this episode is going to be about structure before speed and conviction before results. If you don't know me, hi, I'm Manish Ahuja. MrEmogical is my personal brand where I help businesses grow steadily, systematically, and at scale by aligning marketing and sales for profitable growth. I'm a business growth coach and consultant for small businesses, marketeers, working professionals, content creators. Emogical vlog is a raw documentation of my process of building a business from scratch. There is no glamour here, there is no overnight success. It's literally a vlog where I am logging my entire journey in video format. I just talk about the real work 1 week at a time. Every week I pick up a new project and I keep telling you what have I learned, if there are any breakdowns, and how is the entire process going. The it's This series talks about the boring execution, learning new skills from scratch, making mistakes, fixing them, redesigning, realigning, repeating. It's all about showing you what growth actually looks like behind the scenes, and building something meaningful means being consistent, being okay with things that make you feel comfortable at the start until it all becomes worth it at the end because you love the journey. So, a quick recap of the project. As I said earlier, this week is about creating a clear roadmap of all the videos from 0 to 100, creating a structure for every video, and finalizing the same by day after tomorrow, which is Saturday. Because without clarity, I just tend to feel lost and procrastinate. And if I get lost and procrastinate, that freebie will never see the light of the day. And that is the last thing that I would want. As I was telling you in the introduction of this video, by now I started with a list of 250 plus video ideas using artificial intelligence, but at the moment I am somewhere at 150 odd videos. I've eliminated 100 videos, so that would feel like, oh, the last 50 should also be easy to eliminate. No, eliminating those last 50 is going to be 10x more difficult because I want the videos to be structured. I want the course to actually give value. I have a simple perspective. I want to create a course which I would very happily sell at a 200 or $250 price, but I want to give it away for free so that more and more audience from all across the world can get to know more about MrEmogical, see how I teach, because I would also then eventually offer my paid programs into a community, and that would have a lot more benefits. But then at the same time, for you to know that this is a coach who you would like to trust, I will have to do my hard work, and that is what this course is going to be. So the scope, one thing that I have understood in these 2 3 days when I was creating the entire structure of the course, is that the scope of digital marketing is immense. Everyone's struggling at their careers. If they have even 0.01% interest either in a digital marketing platform, a social media platform, or marketing in general, as per their personality, as per the platform of their choice, based on their skill set, you can just find yourself one area of expertise, one domain that you would want to get better at, and there will be room for so much growth that it is very, very, very difficult to fathom if you don't understand the universe of digital marketing and social media. The resistance that I am personally facing in this entire journey is I keep wondering if the entire project will be worth the effort, considering how little traction am I getting on my videos and on my content at the moment. But the only way to build traction is also to create more videos. So it's a chicken and egg problem that I keep wondering about. And I have also understood one thing: the more I think, the more I'm going to delay. So I'm just going to keep focusing on getting the work done, and in process, everything will fall in place. At least that's what my hopes are. Fingers crossed. Please keep sending your positive vibes and energies because all of that helps. There are no delays at the moment. Things seem to be working smoothly, but let's see how tomorrow and day after tomorrow unfolds. Before I talk about one lesson that is already emerging for me, I would like to tell you about the brand marketing masterclass. It's a 90 to 120-minute free masterclass that I conduct, where I talk about how any business today can only survive and sustain if it is very well positioned for a specific target audience. How do you create a brand out of any business, or rather, why is every business supposed to have a brand attached to it? Because if you don't have a brand, you don't get recognized in public, and if your target audience does not identify you, they're not going to feel comfortable to give you business. And for your brand to be at the top of your target customer's mind, you will have to market your product, market your services, and you'll have to create a funnel for the same. So I talk about business positioning, brand building, and funnel marketing in the free masterclass. You can register by scanning the QR code that you see on your screen right now, or you can always find the link to register for the masterclass in the show notes or the description of this video and register there. The masterclass is free at the moment, so make sure that you register before all the seats get filled. And let's move ahead and let me tell you what is the one lesson that is emerging out for me in this week, which is I am really grateful to have decided to become a business growth coach, because the entire landscape of building a business, how a business is going to evolve once artificial intelligence keeps getting more and more commonplace, but digital marketing, business positioning, brand building, marketing, and sales will always demand human involvement. In fact, artificial intelligence will only help the entire process get better, more efficient, and comparatively a lot more easier. When I did my MBA, when I did my bachelor's in management, understanding all of these subjects was so much more complex, so much more difficult, because AI and social media, the way they have evolved, has made so much easier for a person or a brand or a product to be featured directly in front of the target audience. The only thing that you require is consistent content creation and consistent marketing for the right target audience, and creating an offer and creating a positioning that works like magic. I would like to know, what have you been up to? How's your week turning out to be? Tell me what's going on at your end. What have you been working on this week? Is there a project that you are focusing on? If you have any ideas or suggestions for me, drop them in the comments below, just in case if you've been watching these videos, if you've now started seeing a pattern, and if you'd like me to change something, tweak something, if something seems interesting, if something seems like a drag, tell me. Any sort of comment will help. Any sort of feedback is most welcome, because that will only help me create more better videos for you. A very quick reminder, do not forget to register for the brand marketing masterclass. You'll find the link in the show notes of this episode. I'll see you on Saturday, or I'll see you soon in some other video. Until then, take good care of yourself. Keep going, keep growing.